Making items complimentary in Curi without altering the item price is straightforward and beneficial for enhancing client-business relationships. This feature allows you to give complimentary items to customers while keeping accurate records. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. Enter the items in the queue as you would for a regular transaction. Click on the item you'd like to make complimentary. A settings tab for the item will pop up. Click on the complimentary button. The item price will automatically turn to 0. Process the transaction as normal by clicking on the Pay button. Select the payment method. Enter the amount the customer gave you, then click the Pay button. Click Continue to exit the transaction screen. To verify the complimentary item, go to the Orders tab at the bottom of the screen. Click on the recently processed order to view a detailed version of the invoice. Scroll down to the Items section in the receipt to see all items processed in the transaction, including the complimentary item. Click the X to close the tab. And that's how you make an item complimentary in Curi. For more information on your Curi point of sale experience, visit our website at curi.lc or stay tuned for more instructional videos.